Good day. Just a quick review on where you can apply the WhatsApp integration to your Q2B system. In a reservation, you can communicate with a customer via WhatsApp. So where you used to send an invoice or mail, you can now select the WhatsApp and you can send the invoice directly to the client via WhatsApp. It will send a message and then also attach the invoice to the message. As easy as that. Okay, you can also send a function sheet. You can send a RSVP link and the attendees list to a client directly out of your Q2B, and they will receive the WhatsApp. So that is in a booking. Then also for online, if the clients are booking a room online, they will automatically get a WhatsApp that you pre-selected for your online room bookings, for your online activity bookings, for your online ticket bookings. Also on your check-in, check-out reports, you can apply a message to everybody's checking in, out, or staying over. You can select the guests, action, WhatsApp, and select a WhatsApp that you want to communicate with the customers. And click on send. In the CRM, on all the profiles that you've created, we've added a WhatsApp for you. So my profile is 48 hours before arrival, payment is due. I can still mail the customer if I want to, and now I can send a WhatsApp as well. The CRM will automatically trigger and send the customer a WhatsApp. If you don't want to send a mail anymore, you just untick that, and the customer will receive a WhatsApp and not a mail from your CRM. In groups as well, you can communicate with a group. You can communicate with a group contact, include all the customers that's on the invoices, and include all the guests that RSVP. And you can send them a WhatsApp, and what you can select any WhatsApps that you linked to the group. If I just want to send the group contact, the function sheet, I can also send it directly from here. Then on your check-in app, we've also included the WhatsApp on the check-in app. So for instance, after a client have checked in, you can easily send him a WhatsApp saying, thank you for using our check-in app, and link any of the check-in app to the to the check-in app. You can easily say, thank you for using our check-in app. We've got this available. We've got restaurant bookings if you want to find out the restaurant bookings. And this way you can communicate easy with a customer after check-in. All right, so on your online, you can pre-select the messages. On your CRM, pre-select the messages. And also on your check-in app, pre-select messages and map them towards Q2B. I hope this explains it. Please feel free to ask any questions to Q2B support line, and we will gladly answer any questions. Thank you.